This is the last one you're gonna see the M3 with the regular DRLs. Homie Aaron's gonna come through. So we're doing the valve cover, cold packs, and then the headlights today. I'm gonna do the tail lights too. Guys, I don't know. Like, I'm kind of missing the OEM style ones, low key. But I'm keeping these. I'm definitely keeping these. I'm gonna try to have like a collection.
Yeah, I just work too damn hard to let everything fall down.
All right, so I got the homie Aaron here. He's gonna help me swap out these Xeon headlights for the IKON headlights. This is probably like my favorite mod to date besides the crank up. So that's what we're gonna do today. This is the before, and I'm gonna show you guys after. All right, so we got the car jacked up now. The PBSs. Bro, I can't wait to swap these headlights out, dude. It's gonna look crazy. Can't wait to get rid of these. Bumper is now off. Time to get to work.